Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to draw the Toyota Supra's backside. We'll start by laying down the fundamental shapes. Use light pencil strokes to create a wide, low rectangle for the car's main body. Then, gently sketch the elegant, curving roofline and the rear window. Don't forget to define the broad, muscular wheel arches and the ground line, which will anchor your drawing. This initial step is crucial for capturing the Supra's powerful stance. Now, let's bring in those iconic Supra details that make it instantly recognizable. Carefully draw the distinctive L-shaped LED taillights on each side, ensuring they are symmetrical. Next, outline the integrated ducktail spoiler, a key aerodynamic feature that gives the Supra its sporty profile. Finally, add the dual exhaust pipes and the subtle diffuser elements beneath the bumper, giving it that aggressive, performance-ready look. With the main features in place, it's time to refine your drawing. Go over your initial sketch lines, smoothing them out to create clean, confident strokes. Carefully define the sculpted contours of the rear bumper and the surrounding body panels, paying attention to their subtle curves. Don't forget to add the Supra badge, typically centered on the trunk, and clearly outline the license plate area. These details add authenticity. To truly bring your Supra drawing to life, we'll now focus on shading and adding depth. Use varying pencil pressures to apply shading, creating a sense of three-dimensional form across the body. Introduce subtle highlights to suggest reflections on the car's sleek surfaces. Finally, refine the tire details and add realistic ground shadows beneath the vehicle, making your Supra appear firmly planted and ready to hit the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.